Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new design in Canva. Starting a new design in Canva is straightforward but also really flexible. From your dashboard, look for the purple button at the top left corner labeled Create. When you click on it, Canva gives you a menu of options. If you already know what you're designing, like an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, or a flyer, you can select it right away. Canva automatically gives you the correct dimensions, so you don't have to worry about sizing errors, and that's the fun part. If you want full control, choose Customize. You'll then enter the exact width and height you need in pixels, inches, or millimeters, depending on your project. This is especially handy if you're designing for something very specific, like a website banner or print material. Once you make a selection, Canva opens a blank canvas in the editor. Here, the center is your workspace, the design area. On the left, you'll see your tools such as templates, elements, uploads, text, and more. And we'll get further into this in another video. But think of this step as laying out the foundation. Whether you start with a blank canvas or a pre-sized template, you're setting up the right frame so your design looks professional in the end. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.